Hi, my name is Eyler.
My name is Nicolas Lapointe.
And we're here doing a residency at the Bòlit Center in collaboration with La Chambre Blanche. We're from Montreal, Canada, and we've been here for the past 2 months working on a project called La Fable de OxA-21965. It's a project that is based on geology of the region in particular. We were really captivated by the kind of rich geological history that we have here in Girona. So we've been traveling around doing 3D scanning using photogrammetry.
We decided to pick a lot of sites that were relating to, as Anna said, geology, but like rocks, sediments of rocks, construction, whether it's natural or human-made. So we've been looking at a lot of places that are even like stone quarries, sort of scanning these, but also places, for example, at the cathedrals, at the San Feliu Cathedral, scanning certain parts, and then we assemble these with a program to then create one large repeating video that sort of explores different aspects of the Gironese region, sort of geology, construction, in one sort of long looping timeline.
And the timeline is really a reference to the architectural frieze as well, so it operates a little bit in dialogue with the architecture of the region. But we also included a component that really talked about tourism here in Girona, because living here for 2 months, we were really kind of stunned by the number of people that come to this place. So we also embedded different kinds of sort of garbage and trash in our environment to talk about also the impact of the number of tourists that are here. Ourselves being tourists as well, we're implicated in this narrative, and we wanted to include that also in a geological timeline because we're part of that narrative as well.
We also, in that same sort of vein, we were especially hit because in Montreal we have a lot of tourists, but there's some sort of segregated zones that are more touristic, historic zones, or commercial zones, and it's quite a larger city than Girona, whereas here there's some sort of sense that people are sort of suffocating because of this sort of overwhelming tourism. So we ourselves felt a little bit sort of like tourists as well. So we sort of included ourselves or scanned ourselves within this frieze that sort of explores all this, weaving around this a little bit as explorers, but also at the same time archaeologists in the sort of same manner.
And what we've included at the Bòlit Center is our work in progress. So we're showing things like our 3D scans and just a quick print of a kind of tapestry from our video, but the final result of the project will be around a 6-minute long digital video that loops.